Excel, Python, and BI tools like Tableau or Power BI. They can all analyze data, but which one is right for you? We put them to the test with a 10,000-row dataset to see which is the fastest, most scalable, and easiest to use. The results might surprise you. Let's break it down. Excel is everywhere and great for quick, small-scale analysis. But it struggles with large datasets and isn't built for collaboration. Python, with libraries like Pandas, is incredibly powerful and scalable. It can handle massive datasets and complex statistics, but it requires coding. BI tools are the champions of visualization and dashboards. They make it easy to share insights, but they can be less flexible for deep statistical analysis. What about cost and learning curve? Excel is often part of a Microsoft Office subscription, and many people already know the basics. Python is free and open source, but the learning curve is steeper if you've never coded. BI tools have a range of pricing, from free personal versions to expensive enterprise licenses, and they generally have a moderate learning curve. You don't have to choose just one. Many analysts start in Excel and graduate to Python when they need more power. A common hybrid workflow is to use Python for the heavy data cleaning and analysis, and then export the results to a BI tool to create an interactive dashboard. The key is to use the right tool for the right task. Let's imagine a simple forecasting project. In Excel, you might use the built-in forecast function. In Python, you could build a more sophisticated time series model. In a BI tool, you could create a forecast with just a few clicks and add a trend line to your visual. Each tool gets you an answer, but with different levels of complexity and accuracy. Excel is for quick analysis, Python is for power and scale, and BI tools are for visualization and sharing. The best analysts know how to use all three. What's your go-to data tool? Let us know in the comments.